Did you know that the tissues inside your penis can actually shrink and stiffen if they don't get regular workouts, just like any other muscle in your body? Imagine waking up one day and realizing your favorite gym buddy, down there, has been slacking off without you even noticing. But here's the game changer: there's one simple, science-backed exercise that can keep those tissues elastic, blood flowing freely, and your confidence rock solid well into your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Think about the last time you skipped leg day for a month. Your quads felt weaker, right? The same thing happens below the belt when erections become less frequent. Blood isn't rushing in to oxygenate the smooth muscle fibers, and over time, those fibers start to lose their bounce. They get rigid, almost like scar tissue creeping in. And that's when things start to feel unreliable in the bedroom. But it's not just about performance, it's about freedom. Freedom from worry, from second-guessing yourself, from letting age dictate your vitality. And the best part? You don't need fancy equipment or risky pills. You just need consistency, and a little know-how. Let's start with the real engine behind a strong erection. Inside your penis are two sponge-like chambers called the corpora cavernosa. Picture them as inflatable balloons made of tiny muscle fibers and blood vessels. When everything's working right, your brain sends a signal, usually sparked by arousal, and a molecule called nitric oxide tells those muscles to relax. Blood floods in, the veins get squeezed shut, and boom, firm, lasting erection. But here's what most guys miss: if those chambers aren't filled with oxygen-rich blood regularly, the muscle fibers start to atrophy. They lose elasticity. Fibrosis sets in, like rust on a hinge. And once that happens, even if you're turned on, the hardware just doesn't respond like it used to. Have you ever noticed your morning erections getting weaker or less frequent as you've gotten older? You're not alone. For men over 40, nocturnal erections, those automatic nighttime workouts, start to decline. Stress, poor sleep, belly fat, even high blood pressure can choke them off. And without those natural oxygen deliveries, your erectile tissue begins to decondition. Now, imagine a guy named Mark. He's 52, works a desk job, loves craft beer on weekends. A few years ago, he started noticing things weren't as reliable with his wife. Morning wood? Rare. Performance anxiety? Skyrocketing. He thought it was just aging. But after a checkup, his doctor found early signs of vascular stiffness, not in his heart, but down below. The penile arteries are tiny, only about as wide as a strand of spaghetti. So when circulation starts to slow, that's the first place it shows. Mark's fix wasn't a blue pill. It was a vacuum erection device, often called a penis pump. Used gently and consistently, it pulls fresh, oxygenated blood into those chambers, giving the tissues the exact workout they've been missing. And within weeks, Mark noticed stronger, more spontaneous erections. His confidence came roaring back. But here's where most men mess up: they think the pump is about size. They crank the pressure, hold for too long, and end up bruised or frustrated. That's like trying to bench press 300 pounds on your first day back at the gym. You'll hurt yourself. The goal isn't to stretch or enlarge, it's to condition. To train the blood vessels to dilate efficiently and the muscles to trap blood like they're supposed to. Think of it as doing controlled reps: pump slowly until you reach a comfortable, full erection. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Release. Rest for a minute. Repeat for 8 to 10 cycles. That's one 10-minute set. Do it 3 to 5 times a week. No pain. No rushing. Just smart, consistent training. And here's a pro tip: pair each rest interval with gentle Kegel contractions. Squeeze the muscles you'd use to stop peeing midstream. Hold for 3 seconds. Release for 3. Do 5 reps. This strengthens the pelvic floor, the foundation that supports rock-hard erections, and even helps with stamina. But wait, this next part might surprise you. You can't out-exercise a bad lifestyle. If you're smoking, pounding whiskey every night, or carrying extra weight around your midsection, you're choking the very blood flow you're trying to restore. Let's talk belly fat for a second. It's not just about looks. Excess fat, especially around the abdomen, produces enzymes that convert testosterone into estrogen. Less T means weaker signals to produce nitric oxide. Less nitric oxide means weaker erections. It's a vicious cycle. And smoking? It's like pouring cement into your arteries. Every cigarette damages the inner lining of your blood vessels, making them stiff and narrow. Your penis gets hit first because, again, those arteries are so small. Sleep apnea is another silent killer. If you snore like a freight train and wake up exhausted, you're likely not getting the deep REM sleep where testosterone peaks and nocturnal erections happen. One study found men with untreated sleep apnea were twice as likely to struggle with ED. So what's the fix? Start moving. Walk 30 minutes most days, briskly, like you're late for a meeting. Strength train twice a week, push-ups, squats, rows, deadlifts. Build muscle. Muscle is a testosterone factory. Cut alcohol to 1 to 2 drinks max per day. Quit smoking, cold turkey or with help, just do it. And if you suspect sleep apnea, get a sleep study. Your penis, and your heart, will thank you. Have you ever tried to will an erection into existence when you're stressed or exhausted? Doesn't work, does it? That's because erections are 90% vascular and only 10% mental. You can be attracted, in the mood, and still let down by poor blood flow. Let's bust another myth: if I still get hard sometimes, I'm fine. Not true. Partial or inconsistent erections are early warning signs. They're like the check engine light in your car. Ignore it, and you're headed for a breakdown. Now, picture this: you're 68 years old, on a romantic getaway with your partner. No pills. No anxiety. Just natural, confident performance. Sounds impossible? It's not. I've seen it in patients who treated their erectile tissue like the vital organ it is. One patient, Tom, came to me at 71 after his wife passed. He wanted to start dating again but felt too old down there. We started him on a gentle vacuum routine, cleaned up his diet, added daily walks and twice-weekly kettlebell swings. 6 months later, he called me laughing, said he felt like he was 50 again. Not because he got bigger, but because he got reliable. But here's the part most people overlook: nitric oxide isn't just produced during arousal. You can boost it naturally with food and supplements. Watermelon is loaded with L-citrulline, which converts to L-arginine in the body and ramps up nitric oxide production. Beets, spinach, and pomegranate do the same. Add these to your diet, and your penis gym sessions become turbocharged. Speaking of food, let's talk sugar. High blood sugar damages blood vessels through a process called glycation. It's like coating your arteries in sticky syrup. Over time, they lose flexibility. If you're prediabetic or diabetic, getting your A1C under 5.7 is one of the most powerful things you can do for long-term erectile health. And stress? It's a testosterone assassin. Cortisol, the stress hormone, blocks testosterone production and constricts blood vessels. One study showed men under chronic stress had 35% lower free testosterone. Meditation, deep breathing, even 10 minutes of sunlight daily can lower cortisol and protect your manhood. Where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comments section. We're about halfway through, and if you're finding this helpful, especially if you're a man over 50 looking to boost stamina and restore performance naturally, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. You'll get science-backed tips every week to help you stay strong, energized, and confident. No fluff, just results. Now, let's talk frequency. How often should you train? For most men, 3 to 5 sessions per week with the vacuum device is perfect. Each session, 10 minutes. That's less time than scrolling social media. But consistency is key. Miss a week, and the tissues start to forget. Do it for 90 days, and you'll likely notice firmer, faster erections, even without stimulation. And don't forget the mental side. Performance anxiety is real. The more you worry, the more your brain suppresses nitric oxide. One trick: visualize success before intimacy. Picture blood flowing freely, tissues responding instantly. Sounds woo-woo, but athletes do it all the time. It rewires your nervous system for confidence. Let's do a quick reality check. Have you been relying on pills to fix the problem? They work, for a night. But they don't address the root cause: deconditioned tissue and poor circulation. The vacuum device plus lifestyle changes? They rebuild the system from the inside out. Imagine this: you wake up at 60 with morning wood like you're 30. You walk into the bedroom knowing, not hoping, you'll deliver. Your partner notices the difference. You feel like a man again. That's not fantasy. That's physiology. But here's what separates the men who succeed from the ones who quit: mindset. This isn't about vanity or ego. It's about dignity. It's about refusing to let biology rob you of joy. It's about showing up fully, for yourself and the people you love. Let's build your weekly plan, step by step. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10-minute vacuum session. Gentle pump, 30 to 60 second holds, 8 to 10 reps Kegels during rests. Tuesday, Thursday, 30-minute brisk walk plus 20 minutes of full body strength, squats, push-ups, rows. Saturday, light activity, yoga, stretching, or a nature hike. Sunday, rest. Recover. Let testosterone recharge during deep sleep. Daily habits: 7 to 8 hours sleep. 80 plus ounces water. L-citrulline-rich foods: watermelon, beets. Limit sugar and alcohol. Optional, with doctor approval, 3,6G L-citrulline supplement 30 minutes before your vacuum session. Track progress in a journal. Note erection quality: 1 to 10, morning wood frequency, energy levels. After 30 days, you'll see trends. After 90, transformation. One last story. John was 58, divorced, and terrified of dating. He started this exact protocol. 3 months in, he met someone. First night together, no pills, no panic. Just natural, confident intimacy. He texted me, "Doc, I didn't just get my erection back. I got my life back." Gentlemen, your penis isn't a passive organ. It's a use it or lose it muscle. Treat it with respect. Train it gently. Feed it with movement, sleep, and smart fuel. And watch what happens. You deserve vitality. You deserve confidence. You deserve pleasure, without fear or apology. If this video lit a fire under you, do 2 things right now. First, like this video so more men can find it. Second, drop a comment: what's one healthy habit you're starting this week? I read every single one. And if you want more practical, no BS health tips to boost testosterone naturally, improve stamina, and reclaim your edge, subscribe and join our growing community. You're not alone on this journey. This is Dr. Alex from The Healthy Body, reminding you, aging doesn't mean declining. With the right habits, your best years are still ahead.